KULR stock analysis and KULR stock prediction. This is for tomorrow, Friday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief and short 1-minute video. KULR, it's already, you know, doing its thing, pumping. What I'm not going to do, mate, is just randomly get invoked. You know what I mean? Like, I mean, I understand it's pumping 3.3% up today, but does not take away the idea that if there's a second break beneath 613, I'm still looking to take it further down. 613 is not that far away from 6.75. We are right around there, and if there's that second break and it occurs, I'm looking to take it further lower. KULR related, bro, like I have 84 results in here. That's absolutely decent. And the idea here is that, like, again, I'm not going to be willing to sell on anything, just sticking to the rules. And if you want my exact play and all that good jazz, want to get to those like picks, my picks, 5-10k months and all that good jazz, click the first link in the description. Absolutely risk-free. 1,200 people have tried it, and there's really nothing else that I would add other than wait. Goodbye, Ninja.